Okay, Android architecture means how the Android operating system works and what are the basic components of this operating system. So let's start from the lower part, which is the red color. Okay, so let's start from the lower kernel. It is a Linux kernel, meaning to say the software is, and the programs, the coding has been written in Linux. And if you look at the lower the red, this red area, everyone is written with a driver. For example, display driver, keyboard driver, camera driver, Wi-Fi. So what does it means driver? It means that this component is the part of the operating system cannot work until you install its driver. And another point, the drivers are provided by the company. So any company who make the hardware, that will provide the software also. Okay, so now you think from Android point of view, that how many